Yo guys, what's up? So today it's the second episode of this server, and I'm gonna continue playing it. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the server right now, but I'm gonna go collect some resources and I'll see where that goes. Alright. Put my friends on. Oh, Oliver, this is the server. I'm not gonna hit that guy anymore. What's this? I'm clearing by auto move for shop. Okay. Spawn village. Oh, I'm gonna go collect that. Have the blocks to trade. Think I do. Mine. Okay. Now the question is, do I call my friend or do I not call my friend? Make sure my voice is on and my mic is on. Cool. I'll go caving soon. I'm gonna go caving right now. Who cares? Go down to the mine. The mines I go. I'm gonna go to spawn village. That's what they call it. Anyways. Oliver, that guy that was Nuber, his name is. He is the server owner. I'm gonna server wherever I want. Now I guess I'm gonna get some things to try to gear up. I need to gear up. Maybe. Jumped off the cliff. Sat there. There's a cave over there. I'm gonna go caving. Wanted it 1,000 years. kill him. No, I'm not gonna get any Marco. What should I do? What should I do? Oh my god, okay. Let's see if there's any good things I can find. Yep, there is. Scuba! Okay, anyways, it's time to get stuff. Yep, 35 iron. It's perfect. Perfect for what I need. Now I just need coal. Not oat. Turn up like pink and white. Maybe he wants it for us to rob it. Who's? I mean, I would like to rob it. It's my priority. Garden, shit. God, this server's crazy. I hate this game, it hurts my head. My brain hurts. My brain, it's full of emotion and pain. Because of this game, it is horrible that I'm saying that. It's okay, I'm gonna stop being weird. Stuff. What? Nah, I already visited that cave. Piece of wood. We should not. Lost me for a amount of time. Have some stuff that I needed. For now, I'm gonna give myself some gear situated. Just a bit to get first. And then I get full card. I do have enough for full card. So, okay. Let me try to skin the mountains. I don't see anything. Still have. Smelting. Copper pickaxe. I'm gonna make a copper pickaxe first. Spear. This will take a while. I'm dead. Almost. Speak. Nope. I'm almost there. 4 copper tools. Oh, this. Rubber boots. It's gonna take a while, I guess. So you know, I'm gonna split this. I'm gonna make knife first. Take half everything. There we go. I need 7 more. This. It's gonna take a while. Maybe it's not gonna take a while. Um, Tech Guy 98. I'm gonna end the stream. The video, I mean, I don't know. I'm saying it is my episode on the Hi chat. So what I'm gonna say bye. I'm gonna say bye to you guys, and then I'm gonna end the stream. It's very fun doing this. So enjoy the video. See you guys in the next one. Let's quickly take it off my stuff, and we should be good. Bye, chat. That's the end of the episode. See you guys in the next one. If I can even do this. Bye.